I'm Benjamin Schierhuber. I'm a manager in advisory specialising in business restructuring. The subjects that I needed to complete at school and university, obviously directly relevant is business studies at high school, and then in university I did a whole accounting degree, so that's all directly relevant. But indirectly relevant subjects, like English, even things like history and geology to teach you how to write and communicate. And then I've done a whole law degree off to the side as well, which teaches research skills and how to pull apart questions and understand what's actually being asked of you. That's all directly relevant to being an accountant, even though it's maybe not part of an accounting degree. BDO's been really good with allowing me to explore a couple of different paths through my career. I've started in business restructuring and insolvency, and while I'm still there, I've also been able to go and have a look into the audit line and do a little bit of tax work, and now I'm spending a fair bit of time doing advisory work and business valuations. So that's helped keep my career nice and diverse, because I do find that I get bored easily, so chasing that novelty, that thing that's a little bit new and different, that's important to me, and BDO supported me through that. In terms of national training, I've attended the Australian Restructuring, Insolvency and Turnaround Association training that gives fundamental skills that are required in an insolvency context. I've also travelled to a fringe benefits tax conference as well, so I've travelled to a few things, and it's nice and diverse and builds little pieces as we go. And in terms of local training, BDO is great. They actually bring some high calibre training actually to the firm, both internal with the internal training team and also with various law firms around town that have specialties in different areas. They've been brought in to give us a bit of a taste about what we need to know in these various fields, for whether it's an insolvency context or tax, advisory, whatever it is. It's all been really good and really relevant. I've studied 2 postgraduate qualifications while working for BDO, the first being my Masters of Professional Accounting, and the second being the Chartered Accountants program. So BDO was great through both. They provided me study time to be able to actually go out and study as well as attend the exam, all fully paid. For the Chartered Accountants program, they paid for the course, which that's no small expense, so I was pretty appreciative of that. And also just providing resources, and not just document resources, but people resources too. People that have been there, done that, or just have a different way of explaining things that may help make a topic click when reading it, or having a different person explain it to you may not have had that click moment. My role is a split role, so in addition to the business restructuring services that my team provides, and I help to facilitate and supervise some of the more junior members of my team, I'm also part of the advisory team. So we are currently growing our service line, so we're gaining traction with services such as business plans and business reviews, and that might be to help a business grow, so to find new service lines or to get funding to be able to grow their business, or it might be to help troubleshoot to work out, okay, we're not performing to the highest standard at the moment, what can we do to get back to where we were, which was a much more healthy and profitable position. The favourite part of my job is having those educational moments with our clients where they have that click moment, where they actually understand what's going on, whether that's in an insolvency context or an advisory context, that, oh, I get it moment. Once people have that moment, they're able to move forward in a much more positive and constructive manner, and that's really quite a nice part of my role. One of the main and very personal benefits that I've received is the direct support that not just my partner, but the partnership group as a whole provides me to be able to chase my aspirations, and allowing me to explore the real fringe parts of my role and help expand not only me, but expand what we can do for our clients. So that's been a great benefit for me.